Dad! Daddy! Dad! Goggles. Guys, look, there's wax people in there. Oh, I don't want to go in. That's really scary.
Mom's going for the world record. Let's see it.
Ready?
If I was mean, I would just push her little bum and she'd go in the snow.
What happened, baby? She went to stand. She went to stand up and then her head hit the car. She went to stand up in the car and then she wasn't all the way down at the coop. I can't even talk. I can't even give you guys full sentences because I'm laughing. Bunny ears, that's so 2003. Break her back. Hiya! I didn't really do anything. I'm kidding. I like popped her fingers. Can you guys see me? It's really bright and warm outside for wintertime. Mother is going without a coat. She has the awesome. He just called. Never mind. Okay, but look at his attire. He's got the shoes and the jeans and the mom jacket and the mom gloves and then a face. And then the face. Goggles. Look, there's wax people in there.
Those are real people.
They scared me. Versus that dude, and there's that one. Well, their fingers actually are like stuffed to stuff. Dad! Check him out! Dad! Dad, look, there's people in here. People in here. Oh, I don't want to go in. That's really scary. Don't scare me.
Creepy people in there.
Yeah, look at this.
Prisoners of war.
That guy kind of looks like he had like an over contour or something.
Are you sure he's not still alive?
Yeah. Is that like the first deploying chair?
Ejection seat.
Isn't that the same thing? It's longer words.
Okay, this place is seriously super cool.
Oh. We get to go make our own airplane. Your hair tickled.
My hair tickled her nose, but that helicopter right there is for real, like, huge. It's so place. We like to come here. Right? Right? Do we like to come here? Halle, do we like to come here? Yeah. Do you like it here? Yeah. Whoa. You almost got pinged in the head by an airplane.
Oh, geez.
I'm knocked out. Jack, no. There's a big sign out front that said, "Do not touch anything. Keep your grubby hands to yourself."
I have a question.
After Albie, I have a question. What is that?
Keyboard. They make you feel like you can
What
type
is
fast. The keyboard.
that?
Computer.
That's a computer? The first ever computer?
Ancient technology.
No, the first ever computer took up a whole entire room. Ancient technology.
Oh, mommy's gonna be sore. No, I'm not. She's so light. That's okay.
Maddie, what's a VHS?
I don't, vlogs and a
VHS. A what?
Like a rectangular
thing with like records or whatever they're called.
Wind them up. Video. Watch it again.
It's like those
It's before CDs.
I know. They're like little square boxes.
They aren't that big. They're way bigger.
They're like this big. They're bigger. They're like this big.
Yeah.
Grandma has
Then
one.
there's like
And
two
you-
circles right
and
there.
You have to wind them up with a screwdriver or your finger
Or a pencil.
or a pencil. Pencil's way easier.
Pencil. Are you talking a tape or a
Oh, yeah.
VHS?
So a VHS, you had to
You
had
could
to
use
do
your
your
fingers.
finger or
Tapes used a pencil.
Tapes you use the pencil.
and
Or your finger if it was small enough.
and to
Big enough?
rewind it. That's what you had to do to rewind.
Yeah.
I remember those days. You've never done that before?
I've done that before at grandma's. She has a VHS.
Yeah, hers
player.
rewind them by themselves.
You want a color paper airplane or fly paper airplane?
Fly for days.
You gonna fold? I want to fold and go up there and fly it.
Go off that ledge right there and go.
I have no idea.
Probably not.
Imagine so.
This is totally legal, by the way. Everybody's doing it, so it's okay. Ooh. That's Jack's. Right there. There goes Halle. And whose was that? That blue one right there is somebody's little. Where'd it go?
I did it.
You did it.
Fly.
To the right.
Maybe throw it to the left. Ooh, that's a glider. Ooh, nice, you fixed it. Okay,
There's Myli.
Mom's going for the world record. Let's see it.
Ready?
There it goes, and it hit bottom. Right to the ground. There are those guys down there. You want to see if that one can fly very good? Not too good. Pretty okay though, huh? Okay, ready? Mint chocolate chip. It looks like this.
Halle. I can't see you.
Watch Jack's trying it first. Mint chocolate chip. Tastes like mint chocolate chip. Here, Al. Try a piece. Astronaut food. Somebody be brave and just throw the whole thing in your mouth. Maddie will throw the whole thing in her
Whoa,
mouth.
Halle just put the whole thing in her mouth.
How is it, Al? No, it's not cool.
I want to enjoy it. I want to savor it and enjoy it. Only if it was
Oh,
cold.
there it is.
And
If it
she's
was
like,
cold, it'd be
whoa,
good.
I don't know about that.
If it was
But
cold.
how about
True, because
how about
it's
it,
not
Maddie?
cold.
Is it good?
It's like top.
She just wants more. Whoa, whoa. Let's let Mom try it first.
Okay.
Well, Dad, you put some in your face.
Oh, okay.
Miley didn't like it.
Myli doesn't like it.
I'll have it.
Is it the texture or what?
It tastes like if you spilled mint chocolate chip ice cream and it like dried out and got hard on the table and you pricked up a piece and ate it. Tastes like mint chocolate chip ice cream.
Interesting.
Better cold.
Here, let's let Mom try it.
It's better cold.
Here, Mom.
Your mom?
It would be more natural.
Oh, it is
if was
trippy.
cold.
Try it out. Astronaut food. Astronaut ice cream. And the foam. Mint chocolate chip flavored foam.
Yeah, it's like it's like the part where you've let it sit out for too long, you put it back in the freezer, and you get that part in your mouth.
Kind of airy and like.
Kind of airy, but a little slimy.
I already have two.
Hold on.
Good though.
I'd like to have another piece, please.
Okay.
Pretty please.
They have decided to play in the snow. I believe they're stomping, not tomping, stomping out stuff. I think he's making dinosaur tracks. Shall we see? Let us see. Oh, what are they making? It looks like a heart. Are you making a heart? Yeah.
Look, Big Bird.
Big Bird tracks. Big Bird came this way. Big Bird.
Big Bird tracks.
You're gonna make a mini bird?
A mini big. Yours is a velociraptor.
Aw, it's a little one. And she goes, there she goes. The sun has gone behind a cloud, and so the temperature has dropped dramatically. Halle is still playing in the snow. Myli is right here.
Can't see the screen.
Whoa, you have your hood on? Oh, it's not that cold. It's not. It's not 40 degrees like it was,
I
but
missed
it's
it.
not as cold as it was. Or warm. I can't talk. I can't. My hands are full.
Oh, yeah.
These guys are heavy.
I'm still eating my ice cream. Jack! Jack! Any moment now.
That's a big
It's
queen.
very heavy. It's just
That's a big one. And this one is a little one. Oh, he's just a little guy. He's just a little guy. That's a big one.
one big giant ball. Right in front of us.
Whoa, big plane, big plane.
It's giant puddle.
It's a giant, oh boy. That's kind of trippy cool. She almost hit into that. She's ducking. That was another big airplane. Here's another big airplane. Another bigger one. These are so cool. I think the fact that they actually get off the ground is amazing because they're huge. It's amazing to me they can even get off the ground. You know? You know?
Jones.
You know, Dad?
I do know.
Yeah. Yeah, he knows. And that is half the battle. I think kids are eating snow. They totally are. You guys are silly.
We were going to the Osprey, but Jack doesn't know how.
My face is numb.
There we go.
He's making a face in the snow. Let me see if I can get that. That's his face.
I got snow on my
You guys are silly. Look at that face print.
Look at, I can make my nose really big. That's my face.
Oh, my face! Your face!
But look, this part will fit my chin.
You broke your face. You're breaking it worse, sir.
Look at That's cool!
Yeah, it's snow.
And Maddie, you gotta put your whole face. You just smashed your face! I know I did. Okay.
No! Keep your tongue in your mouth. Ew. She hasn't fallen. If I was mean, I would just push her little bum and she'd go in the snow if I was mean. But I'm a nice mom and I would not do that. Ooh, that was trippy.
Trippy.
That one. Well, that's the van. It has officially been christened the Alvi Mobile for Adventure. It is dirty. It is dirty. Oh my. Oh my. Oh.
Look, houses down on the freeway.
That's a cute house. I think we want that one.
We just have to deliver it. Do you think it connects to that
Or
one?
maybe that one?
Do you think that one connects to that one?
Maybe.
They
It
are
is
2 lanes
possible.
wide.
That is an oversized load.
Yeah.
That's the house. Where's it going?
Somebody's house is driving down the freeway.
Hi, house. We're getting gas and then we're gonna go drive through a car wash to wash our poor van because it is dirty. The van is getting clean.
It's getting washed.
Got the belly wash and now we're getting that outside wash.
We're almost home. Mom has been driving, Dad has been editing. She is looking cute in her flannel and awesome sunglasses.
Look at you.
Okay guys, that is it for today. We are home, we're all jammied up, almost jammied up. Maddie's not in her jammies. We're ready for bed. So that is it for today, and we will see you tomorrow. Remember to be the good, be a positive influence, do good things.
Subscribe. Wear onesies.
Be kind to each other.
Yeah, be kind.
And wear jammies, onesie jammies.
Subscribe and click the bell.
Okay.
Hey, night, guys.
Thanks guys, good night. See you tomorrow. Ba-da-ba-da, boop, ba-da-dee, da-da-da-da.